Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. Have you ever gone through a week and you wonder, where did your time go? There were all these things you kind of wanted to do, and you just never got them done? Well, then this video is for you. It's Stop Procrastinating Motivation. And I'm going to give you 8 different things to do to stop that procrastination and to keep you motivated. Now, I thank one of my subscribers for the idea for this video, and I'm really grateful for all my subscribers. And I'm asking you, if you enjoy my videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to talk about stop procrastinating motivation. Now, why do we procrastinate? Mainly because we have no motivation. We have no direction, and we just feel kind of blah. Because if you had the motivation and a direction, you wouldn't procrastinate. You would have a zest for life. Now, if you're going to go on vacation, do you procrastinate making the list of what you want to do, or packing, or getting really excited about it? Probably not, because you're excited about the vacation. Well, you should just be as excited about your life. Whether it's you're procrastinating maybe with relationships, with your job, with your leisure activities. But why don't we go ahead and stop it right now? And I've got 8 different ways for you to kind of stop that procrastination and get motivated starting today. So the first, if you're not motivated, it could be because you have no passion. What is your passion? What are you passionate about in life? If you just go along, or you get up, eat breakfast, go to work, work out, meet friends, watch TV, and it goes boom, 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 boom. There's no passion maybe in your life. But you can change that. And all it is getting in touch with your inner self. Spend some time thinking about it. What makes your heart sing? What would you do, even if you didn't get paid to do it? If you got to spend today doing whatever you want, what would that be? Where would you be? Who would you be with? When you dream, what do you dream about? When you read, what do you read about? So start writing down what are your passions, because that will motivate you. It will give you drive. And then try incorporating even just one into your life every single week. So the first is find your passion. The second, what are your goals? It's easy to procrastinate if you don't know where you're going. If you're going on a road trip, you use your GPS and you know your end destination. Well, if you're procrastinating, maybe you don't know what your goals are. Spend some time. Again, in quiet, getting in touch, write a mission statement for your life. Now, this takes a lot of inner work, but that's okay. And then when you do your mission statement, in whatever avenue of your life you want, then write some goals. You want yearly goals, you want monthly goals, and you want weekly goals. Every Sunday or Monday, write down what your goals are for the week. Writing them down is a commitment to yourself. And then with each goal, put an action step. Maybe get a planner to do it in, or a sheet of paper, whatever works for you, an Excel sheet, but write them down. And then when you accomplish that goal, check it off. You will have such a great feeling that you accomplished something because you are committing to it. So again, write down your goals. Be proactive. You can't just sit and watch TV and think it's going to happen. Be proactive. Write down those goals. That's number 2. The third, every morning, spend 5 minutes in silence. Maybe you can meditate, read something inspiring, just spend time in nature. 5 minutes, spend time outdoors, looking at the sky, looking at a leaf, a flower. And write your intention for the day. Just one word. One word intention for the day. Because that gives you direction. And that will help with the procrastination. So that's the third one. The fourth is listening to people that motivate you. Watch YouTube videos, read inspiring books, read biographies, do something that will motivate you every single day, or at least 3 times a week. Let's go for 3 times a week, but do something that motivates you, listening to other people. So that's the fourth one. The fifth, Is there anybody in your life that are drainers? What are your life drainers? Maybe some of these people you have to be around if they're co-workers, but maybe you could limit your time with them and just be aware that they may be draining. What are your life drainers? Is there anybody you're around that after you're around them, you feel like the energy is just drained from you? Because they are sucking your energy away, and that energy you could be using to accomplish your own goals in your life and stop procrastinating. So identify who are the life drainers in your life. The seventh is to say no. Maybe somebody comes up, they want you to be a part of a project, or they want you to do something, and though you had this goal in mind for the week and committed it to yourself, but they came along, and sometimes it's easier to say, oh, you know what, let me go ahead and do that. Because that might be easier than dealing with this goal and maybe a little problem. It's easier to say no to that and go to somebody else and just take time off. Learn to say no. If it's not part of your goals for the week or the month, say no. Even if it's something that may be very enticing, something you'd like to do, even if it's for a good cause, say no, unless you've accomplished your goals for the week and you have the time. So that's number 7. The 8th is to schedule me time. You need me time. Number 1 was find some of your passions. So incorporate those into your life. You have to have fun. We have to have laugh. We have to have joy in our life. We have to have fun, because that will motivate you also to stop procrastinating. Now, if you need help with any of these or any other suggestions, please write the comments. I love to hear from you. And again, I'm grateful for all my subscribers. And if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing and liking them. But I'm sending you lots of love and light until next week.